First test in the box, using computer power supplies, power the amplifiers. So, just a little jumper wire to the 12-volt positive. That's all you need to turn them on. But I'm using my 1000-watt power supply to power both amplifiers. Got my source coming from my laptop, and then from this amplifier has an in and an out. I just have some jumper wires over to here. The Kicker ZX 750.1, that is hooked up to the L7, and the 5-channel ZX 700.5, you got your 4 front channels and your sub channel. Sub channel is hooked up to the 2 CVR 8s. All these are dual voice coil. These are 2 ohm voice coils. I have this sub wired up to both 2 ohm voice coils are wired in series, therefore making it a 4 ohm load from that sub. Same from this sub. And then I got them paralleled at the amplifier, so the amplifier sees a final of 2 ohms. And then the L7 is a dual 4 ohm, and I have that wired in parallel, so it's a 2 ohm load on this amplifier. So and then there's going to be a fan going in here and a fan on the other side, and I don't know if you can see it, but I have slots cut in just behind the sub here. You see my fingers through there, amp. So that way the fan's going to blow air in from both sides, and then the air will come out underneath both amplifiers, thus keeping them a bit cooler than no air movement. So that's it. Just waiting for test fit, and then carpet and glue and caulking, and it's all done.